Hello Primary 1. Today we'll take our science revision on quarter 3. We have to match these words to the pictures. At the first one we have smell, feel, taste, hear, see. Again, smell, feel, taste, hear, see. And also we have 5 pictures. We need to match the word to the right picture. Smell. We will match smell to this picture because as we see, this girl smell the flower. Feel to this picture. Taste. Taste. We will match this taste to this picture. Hear. Hear means to listen to this picture. And see to this picture. The next question, put true or false. Number 1. She uses her eyes to feel. This false, because we use our eyes to see, not to feel. Number 2. I use my hands to go to school. Sure, this is also false because when we go to school we use our foot, not our hands. Number 3. We have 7 fingers in our hand. All of us have 2 hands. If you count the fingers of one hand, if you count the fingers in one hand, you will find you have only 5 fingers, not 7 fingers. This one is also false because we have 5 fingers in our hand. Number 4. We taste food or drinks with our ears. Is that right? Sure? No, because we taste food or drink with our tongue, not our hand. Number 5. Children have permanent teeth. This one is also false because the children have primary teeth. They have primary teeth because they can change it, okay? But the permanent, we can't change it. Number 6. Our face changes when we become older. This is true because our face when we grow up and become older and older also change. Number 7. We have 5 senses. True. Number 8. We have 1 mouth and 2 lips in our face. This one is also true. Number 9. We use teeth to chew food. Chew, this one is that mean to eat the food and to cut it in the small pieces in your mouth. When we cut the food in our mouth, we need the teeth. This one's true. Number 10. Adults have 32 teeth. This one is true. The next, choose. Number 1. The body has 3 main parts: head, trunk, and limbs, eyes, ear. As we know, the body has 3 main parts: head, trunk, and limbs. Number 2. We use our hands, feet, hair when we write. When we write, sure, we use our hands. Number 3. We use our eyes, ears, tongue to taste food or drink. With our eyes we can see. With our ears we can hear. With our tongue we can taste food or drink. We will choose this one. Number 4. We have 1, 2, many lips in our face. We have 2 lips in our face. Number 5. We use our hands to go to school, play football, have breakfast. If you go to school, we use our foot. And also if we play football, we use our foot. And also have breakfast, we use our hands. So we choose have breakfast. Number 6. We have 1, 2, many eyebrows. We have 2. We will choose 2. Number 7. Children have 32 teeth. As we know that children have 20 teeth, we call it primary teeth. Number 8. Adults have primary permanent teeth. The adults have permanent teeth because they can't change this permanent teeth. Number 9. This is a girl. She has primary permanent teeth. As we know, the boys and girls have primary teeth, and the adults, like the man and the woman, have permanent. But this one's a girl. If this one is a girl, she has primary teeth. Number 10. She uses her hands, feet, ears to listen to the radio. We use our ears to listen to the radio because with our hands we can do many things like write. With our feet we can go to school and do many things like this. But if you want to listen, we can use our ears. This one, write the parts of the hand. We must know the parts of the hand. As you look, this is the hand. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. At these fingers we call it little finger. We call it little finger. And this one we call it ring finger. We call it what? Ring finger. And also this finger we call it middle finger. Again, middle finger. This one is index. Index. And this one is thumb. Thumb. And also we have this part of the hand. This part we call it palm. We call it palm. And this part here we call it wrist. We call it wrist. This our parts of the hand. The hands have 5 fingers. Each fingers from them have the name, and also we have this part here palm and here wrist. This one little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, thumb finger. Here we have 4 pictures, and here we have the phrases. We want to match this phrase to the right picture. Here we have boy, woman, man, and here girl. The first one here, I have primary teeth. For sure, we know that for the children, boys and girls, they have primary teeth. We will match this one, I have primary teeth, to this picture, to this boy. Number 2, I have permanent. The permanent teeth, as we know, for the woman and the men. This I have permanent for also, as we know, the adults woman or men. 4, we will match it to this picture. Right. I have 32 teeth. This 32 for the adult. If the adult is this woman or this girl, sure, this woman have 32 teeth. Here, I have 20 teeth. For sure, if we see 20, that's when we know this 20 for the children. We will match this one to this girl. Thank you very much, Primary 1.